Marcus here. Gonna do a walk around video on this 2014 with 9,000 miles. One of the four we have, I think they range from 9,000 to 14 or 15,000 miles. For all intents, it's as new as a 2014 could be. Let's start under the hood here. I'm going to get this open with one hand. Alright, here we go. You can see super clean. See our coat's clean there. Try to get a shot of the underside here. So it's a little dusty. I think we washed it, it was detailed a couple weeks ago. So we get a fair amount of wind and dust here, but it'll be detailed again before it leaves. Got a shot of the odometer. Driver's seat looks great. Let's get some more underside. A heater there. Tires look really good. Alright, stepping inside. Let's start it up. There we can see no warning lights. Runs good. Get you a shot of the VIN number here. Seats all look good. Do have a little bit of storage area, passenger side behind the last bench. So we do have a few of them, various years. Any questions, just give me a call.